Hi math friends, and welcome back to our channel, or welcome to our channel if this is your first time here. Today we are working on our second video in our integer series. If you are here, it's because you want to strengthen or learn to subtract integers. These are our integer rules. Today our focus is subtracting. If you missed our video on adding integers, stop watching this video and go back and watch our video on adding integers because you want to be familiar with adding integers before attempting to subtract. I will link the video below. These are our rules for subtracting integers. You want to first copy your first integer. You're going to change your sign from subtraction to addition, and then you're going to flip your second number to the opposite integer. And then you're going to follow the rules for adding integers, which is why it's important to be familiar with adding integers. In our first example here, we have positive 15 minus a negative 8. According to our rules, what we're going to do is we are going to copy our first number. So we're just going to rewrite our first number, which is 15. And then our rules say we're going to change our subtraction sign to an addition sign. And then we're going to flip the second number to the opposite. So we have a negative 8 in the original equation, so we're going to flip that or change that to a positive 8. And then we're going to follow the rules to addition. The rules of addition says that when our signs are the same, we're going to add and keep the sign. So 15 plus 8 gives us 23. And we're going to keep our sign, which is positive. So positive 15 minus negative 8 gives us a positive 23. In our next example, we have negative 25 minus 9. Again, we're going to keep the first number, so negative 25. We're going to change that subtraction sign to an addition sign. And then we're going to flip to the opposite. So we have a positive 9 in our original equation, so we're going to change that to a negative 9. And then we're going to follow the rules to addition. Our rules say again, when our signs are the same, we're going to add and keep the sign. So a negative 25 plus a negative 9 gives us a negative 34. Okay. And then in our final example, we have positive 83 minus 25. Following our rules, we're going to copy the first number, 183. We're going to change our subtraction sign to an addition sign. We're going to change our positive 25 to a negative 25. And then we're going to follow the rules of addition. Our rules of addition says that when our signs are different, we're going to subtract and take the sign of the largest absolute value. So here we have a positive 83 and we have a negative 25. So our signs are different. So we're going to subtract. 183 minus 25 gives us 158. And our largest absolute value is 183, which is a positive number. So our answer will give us a positive. So we're just going to leave it that way. If you are unfamiliar with absolute value, again, go back and watch our addition video and you will get an explanation of how to find the absolute value of a number. All right, you try. Pause this video and try this example, negative 32 minus a negative 14. All right, according to our rules, we're going to copy the first number, which is a negative 32. We're going to change that subtraction sign to an addition sign. And then we're going to flip negative 14 to its opposite, which is a positive 14. And then we are going to follow the rules of addition. Rules of addition state that when our signs are different, we are going to subtract and take the sign of the largest absolute value. So 32 minus 14 gives us 18. And our largest absolute value is 32, so our answer is going to be negative. All right, guys. I hope that this video was helpful. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to our channel. We are a very new channel, so we would love to have you as one of our math friends. Also, remember to click that notification bell so that you are notified whenever we upload a new video. Please follow us also on Instagram at EEIS_tutoring. Follow us on Facebook at Early Education Intervention Service. If you have any questions or you want to see new videos, please go to Instagram or go to Facebook. Leave us some ideas and we will try to get those videos uploaded. Until next time, guys. Bye.